Have you ever wanted to look at your pages next to each other in Canva? Maybe you are designing a book, a photo album, or just want to see how your pages flow. Today I will show you a few simple tricks to view your pages side by side in Canva, even if Canva doesn't make it super obvious. Let's get started. First, go to the Canva and open any of your projects with multiple designs or pages, or create one from scratch. For this video, I am opening my project with multiple pages, and when I want to see them, I usually scroll down. But if I want to see all these designs side by side, there is a simple way to do it. Go to the bottom right corner of your Canva screen. You will see a little icon that looks like 4 squares. That's called Grid View. And now click it. Once you do it, you should see all your pages laid out like tiles. In Grid View, you can drag pages to new spots. Let's say page 4 and page 5 don't look good together. Just click and drag one to swap their places. This helps you line up colors, pictures, or text across pages. It's like rearranging puzzle pieces until everything looks just right. Honestly, this grid view is making working in Canva much easier. Using grid view, zoom, and preview mode gives you a good look at your designs before printing or sharing. It helps you spot mistakes and make your pages flow better. So, next time you are designing a photo book or business doc, try these tips. You will see the whole picture. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more Canva tips.